Hi, hello, welcome. I'm Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the easiest way to unpick overlocking stitches. I've previously done a video on the easiest way to unpick overlocking stitches. However, I posted that in a Facebook group and someone else came up with an idea that they said was even easier. So I'm going to be trying out that technique today to see if you can teach this old dog new tricks. I'm going to be showing you the way I did it previously. I'm going to be trialing this way and showing you the way that you might do it if you are uninitiated and don't understand how the overlock stitches all mesh together. I have threaded up in different colours. The upper looper is in green and the lower looper is in red. The two needle stitches are in various colours of blue. The needle threads, one's in a navy blue and the other one is in a light blue. If you're unpicking the traditional way, like you might unpick a traditional sewing machine stitch, what you might do is go between the layers of fabric like so and start separating out the stitches like this. But this is quite a long-winded way to unpick overlocking stitches because you've just got so many threads, and it doesn't, with sewing machine stitches, if you do this, what will happen is you can then usually pull it and it'll come another 2 or 3 stitches in one go. But this way is time consuming, it's slow, and it's not really terribly easy. It's a bit messy. There are easier ways to unpick overlocking stitches. My preferred method for unpicking overlock stitches is to remove the needle threads. So I just slide my unpicker into the needle threads and then every few stitches again do the same. So then you can gently remove these needle threads, and the whole of the bit where you've removed the needle threads falls apart. Now that is how I would usually unpick overlocking stitches. Not as time consuming as the other method that I just showed you, the traditional sort of straight seam unpicking, but much quicker. But I love the way that it just kind of falls away. It helps you also understand how the stitches on the overlocking are formed, and just falls away like so. The method I have just been introduced to, I was told if you slide your unpicker under the lower looper threads close to the edge of the fabric and break your stitches. Okay, so that's nice and quick. But it doesn't just come apart. What I have discovered through a process of elimination is if you then go in between the needle stitches, you can then pull those threads out and pull it apart relatively easily. It works and it does the job. But my method, where I unpick the overlocker, the needle threads, leaves you with much neater seams. You don't have all these thread debris to deal with and to have to remove. So for me, I will stick with this method. So this method is just pulling out your needle threads, and sometimes you get lucky and you can pull a needle thread out in one fell swoop. But it's always worth, when someone gives you a new method, it's always worth trying it out. You may like it, you may not like it. It may be for you. The method you use already may be your preference. There isn't just one way to skin a cat, as it were. There are lots of different methods of how to do things within sewing. So find the method that works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and you want to find more great Learn to Sew content to help make you a better dressmaker, to help grow your skills and make you more confident, you can sign up to my Love and Stitches Club using the link below. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.